Hi, my name is Roberto Tapia from Capoeira Sul da Bahia, Monitor Bucho. Today I'm going to show you how to play capoeira. Now I'm going to show you how to do a papagayo. This movement has different names. We call papagayo, bachata. So first you're going to start with the jinga, right? Let it stop. Base again and put your right hand, if you want to do for that side, on the floor, and later put your leg at the most as you can. That's going to look a little bit slow. Hand and back again. One more time. Now we're going to do it a little faster. That's how you do a papagayo. Now I'm going to show you how to do a backflip.